guys? It's been a while.
It has been a while.
So guess where we are today?
We are at the Tulalip Casino outlets in Tulalip, Washington.
And we're gonna go to the Disney outlet.
Tina's very excited.
Yes, I am part of the Facebook group, and they have shown things from the parks. So let's go see what we can find from the parks.
Yeah.
Let's go. Disney outlet. Like I said, they have stuff from the parks. So let's see what we can find. Oh my goodness! Look, it's the Mickeys. Have a good day, guys. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at all the friends for $26.99. Look at these little sets. Have fun. A giant Cinderella. Wow. My goodness, look at this Pixar thing. Every character.
You can always come back.
Jasmine, Aladdin, Barbies. Look at this. Whitney. What the heck? So again, this is the outlet, and they get stuff here from the parks. Oh my gosh, you're coming home with me. Oh yes, Metal Mickey. Oh here, they have this at Disneyland like right now, the Oswald stuff. Purple Disney World. What'd you find? Oh, the Bambi collection?
Bambi collection. They have some 50th anniversary stuff over there.
Okay, so again, this is in the parks like right now.
That one was very cute.
What's the price for it? So here at the outlet, it is $24.98. Oh, this is a cute Mickey pillow. Oh, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Ooh.
We just saw this on the factory video. In case you want a fancy shirt.
Isn't that funny? Okay. Oh, look, here's a Spirit jersey. A few Spirit jerseys. Ooh, Disney World Spirit jersey. Oh, I did like this one. It was like the 90s style. But if you guys watch other vloggers like me and Whitney, they were showing some. Oh, Whitney, Orange Bird. Look! For $17.98, you can get a nice Orange Bird shirt. And oh, look at this Orange Bird shirt. She could be fancy Orange Bird shirt. So for those who don't know, Orange Bird is like a Florida mascot. So this is cool. This is stuff that comes from the parks right here into Washington State. Oh, yep, Disney World 50th. Look at this jacket. My goodness. The things you can do. Oh, these are from the Mickey Mouse collection. Here's the Dumbo ears and the Dumbo Mickey. Yes. Pirates. Very cute. From the main Mickey Mouse main attraction. Yeah, see, Mickey Mouse main attraction. $19.98 for the Mickey Mouses. Wakanda forever. Oh, I'm coming. What? Oh, there's an Oogie Boogie shirt. Oh, it is the grape soda shirt. Oh, from Up. Cute. What'd you find? Oh, cute. Oh, did you see they're doing a Pride Night at Disney? That was very cute. A nice find. Olaf jammies, Whitney?
No, Olaf.
Whitney does love her some Olaf. Oh, look, here's the lounge flies. What do we have here? Ooh, this is cute. Just one bite. Oh, here is the Magic Kingdom, like it's a math bag. Woody and Bo Peep. What's this? Oh, yes. Welcome to my life. This is our park. I'll be getting this. This is a very cool store to find. Oh, look at the fancy Daisy. Oh, she's so glamorous. There's all the 50th. Yes, 50th merch again. They have lots of ears over here too. Ornaments. Hunchback. Oh. Hello, Leota. Oh, here's more ornaments. Where's Elliot? Oh. Elliot. Cute. Alright guys, they have little costumes you can get for your kiddos. They come in like these bags. They have all the plushies, which I am getting one little Moana doll. She's in my bag already. Tiaras for the kitties. More dresses. I'm pretty impressed with the outlet, Whitney. You can get the 100th anniversary. Because remember, the park itself is turning, the company itself is turning 100 this year. So they have 100th merch, which is what this purple stuff is. The purple stuff is the 100th. Oh, look at this sweater. Hold this up, Whit. It's like a metallicness.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. But look, let's see what the price is here. $30. You can't get that at Disneyland. There's no way. What's that? So here's the little Small World lookie, but they have no Small World ears.
Take your ears.
I don't know if you guys know, my two favorite rides are Haunted Mansion and
There's Castle ears.
Small World. Cute, cute, cute. Well,
Carousel?
this is a pretty fun experience. Winnie, what do you give this store? 10 out of 10?
I mean, no.
No. I think it's pretty crazy that we have this here in our state, though.
Yeah, it's cool.
Because we're all the way in Washington. This stuff comes from Florida and California.
And if you're up this way, you want a draft blanket?
No. The Mary Blair frozen one's nice, though. $29, guys. these disgusting Crocs.
Okay. So I have
Look, guys. 174. That's fancy. Whitney.
If only I was, still not a teacher.
Still not a teacher. It's just still not a teacher.
Yep.
That's a great phrase. Okay, guys.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, we will show our haul too when we get back to our hotel later.
Here it is.
Look what I got. I was pretty happy with this. Like, again, we're in Washington State.
Yeah.
And as you guys know, we love the Disney.
And there are lots of stuff from the parks. So again, like, if this is something you want to come up to, if it's worth it to you, it was fun to, like, see it. I probably wouldn't come, like, every week to, like,
No,
see.
no.
But it was fun.
Yeah, like, I probably will come again after the 100th over. The
Yeah.
100th March. So, Jean, I know you're going to watch this. You're going to come.
Yeah.
This is for Jean.
It might be fun to, like, come and see, like, the seasonal changes.
Yeah.
They
Cool.
still have Life Day ropes. So if you're looking for those,
They're very up at the park.
they were.
Yes. All right. So, again, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Raindrops.
T and W.
Woo woo!
Thanks so much. Good night.
Bye!
Sleep tight.
Sleep tight. I forgot.